Okay, we'll begin the class today. Okay, first unit is all are able to hear me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
First unit syllabus I have forwarded to you in the initial class itself. No, I have
Yes,
explained with the syllabus only.
yes, ma'am. Unit 1 is still Thevenin's, Norton's, and maximum power transfer theorem.
Yes, first unit is all about DC circuit analysis, transients, KVL, KCL, mesh analysis, nodal analysis, all the theorems, plus star delta transformation, current division, voltage division rule, all those things inclusive. Second unit is about the AC fundamentals, okay, and machines. Whoever asked the doubt, all right. Now let us begin the class. Okay, we'll solve some problems on a single phase AC circuit today. So refer to problem number 10 that is being shown here. So tell me somebody what is given in the problem statement and given data and what is being asked to solve. What are the things that are given in the problem?
Resistance,
Yes, resistance is given. R.
inductance, L,
Inductance is given, that is L. Okay, R is equal to 100 ohm. L is equal to 200 millihenry. So into 10 to the power minus 3 Henry you have to put. Then what else is given? What type of supply is given?
AC voltage V equal to 200 sin omega sin
Yes,
500 t.
this V is equal to 200 sine 500 t. So that AC voltage is given. So given value is Vm, that you have to convert it into Vrms by dividing that by 2. Okay, then what are the other things that are given? You have to calculate what are things.
Impedance, current, potential difference,
Impedance, that is Z is you have to calculate. Then I you have to calculate. Then V R you have to calculate, then V L you have to calculate, and phi between V and I, what is the angle you have to calculate. So how will you proceed with the problem? Well, this is a series RL circuit or series RC circuit or pure L. Which circuit is this?
RL ma'am, RL circuit.
RL circuit. So first thing is you need to draw the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First thing is you need to draw the diagram. So the diagram will be like this. AC. Okay. R is 100 ohm. L is 200 millihenry. This one is 200 sine 500 t and current. Okay, like this you have to draw the circuit diagram. Then you have to calculate the things. So first thing that is being asked is calculate the circuit impedance. Calculate the circuit impedance. So you know the formula for calculating Z. So how will you calculate Z?
Impedance Z equal to root of R square plus XL square.
This is R plus JXL. So if you take the vector sum, it will be R squared plus XL squared. So R is given directly 100 ohm. You can substitute in place of R. What about XL? What is the
Yeah,
formula for inductive reactance?
XL
Omega
equal
L.
to omega L ma'am.
XL is equal to omega L. What is omega? 2 pi FL.
F.
F.
So L is yes. Okay. How will you calculate the frequency? This is omega t. So 2 pi F is equal to 500. So F is equal to 500 divided by 2 pi. So what is the answer frequency? Frequency. Otherwise omega is given, so you can keep it as such. Okay, you can calculate XL. XL is equal to omega L. So omega is this value 500. So 500 into 200 into 10 to the power minus 3. So what is your XL in ohm?
100
100,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is your inductive reactance? 100,
100.
huh?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 100 ohm. Now you can easily calculate the impedance. Okay, what is the impedance value?
100 square plus 100 square.
Z
Root
is
of
equal to 100 squared plus 100 squared. So what is the final answer?
141.4.
40?
141.44.
141.4. Okay, that is correct.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is correct. You have solved for impedance. What is being asked next?
Current.
You have
Current.
calculated impedance. Next, they have asked current. Current is given by the formula V divided by Z. Z is just now found out. What about V? V is you have to substitute RMS value, but they have given peak value, that is 500. What is the peak value that they have given?
200
200 or
divided by root 2,
500?
ma'am. 200
Yes, this
divided
is
by
your
root 2,
VM.
ma'am.
Root 2, so the RMS value will be 141.4 volt.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will be calculating current as per this formula. V
1,
divided
ma'am.
by
1.
Z, both are 141.4 divided by 141.4. So the current value is 1 ampere. Okay, then what is next? You
Potential
need to
difference.
calculate the PD across the resistance. So what is the formula for it? VR is equal to I into R. That is the standard formula. I just now we have found out that
100,
is
ma'am.
1 ampere
100.
into 100. So 100 volt, that is voltage across the resistance. Then you need to find out PD across the inductance, that is VL you need to find out by using what formula?
VL equal to I into XL.
I into XL. XL is already found out 100 ohm. I is 1 ampere. So what is VL? VL is also 100 volt.
100.
100.
Okay. Now the last thing that you are not need to find out is phase angle between voltage and current. Further one
Current
standard
lags
formula
90
is
degree,
there.
ma'am.
Okay, yes. But the formula you note it down. This formula I think I did not give. Okay. This I have got from the reactance triangle. This is R, XL. This is your Z. So phi. Alright. So what is tan phi? Opposite divided by adjacent. So what is the value? Tan phi. Opposite side is XL. Adjacent side is R. So from that you are getting this tan phi. You know what is XL, you know what is R. You tell me just phase angle value. 45 degree you are getting now?
45 degree, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these sort of problems are simple to solve. Okay. Surely this type of problem will come in 116 mark question. So if you remember the formula means it will be easy for you. Alright. Now one more problem. Problem number 11. Try to solve it and tell me the answer alone. I will pick out somebody to give me the answer. Take 5 minutes or 10 minutes to solve. A pure inductance of 1.273 millihenry is connected in series with a pure resistance of 30 ohm. A frequency of the sinusoidal supply is 5 kilohertz and the potential difference across 30 ohm resistor is 6 volt they have given. You have to determine the supply voltage and the voltage across 1.273 millihenry inductance, and you have to draw the phasor diagram also. Try to solve for it and tell me the answer. Are you trying to solve? Take 7 minutes or something. First you have to write the given data and draw the circuit. Then you have to try to find and then proceed. What are the things that are given in the problem?
Inductance,
Inductance, resistance,
resistance, VR,
frequency, VR,
freak. Yes, ma'am.
yes, VR. Then you have to find out total voltage V and VL. And plus you have to draw the phasor diagram. This is again the series RL or series RC.
Series are L, ma'am.
What about the others in class? Only Vishnu Vardhan is there.
Ma'am, Somin is also there.
Then you should answer no. Okay, I will ask answer from somebody. I think Ritesh Pandey will give me the answer for first one. Ritesh. Ritesh. Piyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Piyush,
Yes,
tell the
ma'am.
answer. How will you solve the problem?
Ma'am, I have drawn the circuit and now I am calculating it, ma'am.
One clue is already there. You have to use this formula. V is equal to IZ. Rajdeep. Rajdeep.
Ma'am, supply voltage is 10 volt
Supply voltage is 10 volt. Let me check out the answer.
and I'm calculating voltage across the inductor. Wait.
Supply voltage is 10 volt. You're saying okay. Okay, 10 volt is correct. Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am, it's some in 8 volt. Second one.
all got this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I also got the 10 volt answer, ma'am.
Then you have to draw the phasor diagram also. Finish drawing phasor diagram.
And there will be an inductor and there will be a resistor at 90 degrees.
Resistor at 90 degree. Have they asked you to find out the phase angle also?
No, ma'am.
Supply
No.
voltage and what else they have asked? VR,
And
VA,
phase
VL
angle
and
we
all they
can,
have asked.
ma'am, and phase angle we can find by arc tan of the inductance, inductive reactance upon the resistance.
Okay, but it is not asked. So only if it is asked, you find out. They have asked only voltage across the inductance and the
Ma'am,
supply voltage. Supply voltage is 10 volt. Inductance voltage, what is the inductance voltage?
8 volts, ma'am. 8 volts.
8 volt.
8, ma'am.
8 volt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 8 volt is correct. Alright. So this supply voltage and this one only they have asked. In order to draw the phasor diagram, you need to know the other things. You need to know what is VR, you need to know. VL is already found out. Then current you need to know. Okay. For that purpose they are finding out the other things. Let us check out the phasor diagram now. So this is how you have to draw the circuit, RL circuit and the phasor diagram. I have already taught you how to draw the phasor diagram in the earlier class, isn't it? Same way. What will be taken as a reference? Here you will be taking VR as the reference, alright, which is equal to 6 volt. They have given in the problem directly. And then you have to find out the current also. Both current and voltage will be in phase. So I is drawn in phase with VR. Right. So VR and I are in phase. Then you have to draw VL. Okay, because I will be lagging behind VL by some 90-degree angle. So you have drawn VL perpendicular. Then you have taken the phasor sum of the two voltages, which you have found out to be equivalent to 10 volt. Okay, like this, some problems they will mandatorily ask you to draw the phasor diagram also. So you should be ready to do that. Alright. Understood this problem? All of you got this answer 10 volt and 8 volt?
Mm.
Shall we
Yes,
proceed to the
ma'am.
next problem then? We'll see to some problems in RC. Problem number 13. Okay, what is asked in the problem? Problem number 13.
A resistor of 25 ohms.
So resistor of 25 ohm, R is equal to 25 ohm in series with capacitor now 45 microfarad. So C is equal to 45 microfarad. And they have asked you to calculate impedance. Z. So what is the formula?
Impedance Z equal to under root R square plus XC square.
Z is equal to R squared
Plus FC square.
plus XC squared. Okay, so XC, what is the formula for XC? 1 divided by omega C. So 1 divided by 2 pi FC. F is given to be 50 hertz. So tell me what is impedance? Okay, you got 70.74. That is your capacitive reactance. What about impedance? Z is equal to 75.03. Then what is next? Current taken from 240 volt 50 hertz supply. So I is equal to, again as usual, V divided by Z. So what is the formula and
Z.
what is the answer?
I equal to V by Z.
And what is the answer?
$240 by 75.03, ma'am.
Final answer?
$3.198.
That's 3.198. So this is the answer. Alright. Current. Okay, then what is asked in C subdivision? Find also the phase angle between the supply voltage and the current. As usual, what formula? Tan phi is equal to
XC by R.
find it out and tell me the answer. Formula. Are you getting 70.54?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all got these answers and you understood how
ma'am.
to proceed for RC circuit solution. Okay, one more problem, we'll solve this category, then we'll go to RLC. So try to solve problem number 14. Somebody should read the problem and tell me what is being asked.
Capacitance
Resistance R
value, supply voltage, phase angle, and potential difference across resistor, and potential difference across capacitor.
What
ma'am,
is the
R
given
equal to
data?
40, ma'am. R equal to 40,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Distance, frequency,
Frequency equal to 60.
value of impedance.
Resistance, frequency, impedance, and current value.
Okay, with that given data, try to find out the unknown parameter. The value of the capacitance they have not given, so how will you solve for it?
C equal
Then by
to
using
Q.
impedance value.
You know what is R? Okay, you know what is impedance. From that, indirectly you can find out XC. And then C,
Ma'am, we'll get 30.
that is XC. What about C?
1 by omega c is equal to xc.
Oh, yes, 1 by omega C is equal to XC, but what is C is asked. Find C also.
Ma'am, C
So this
equal
is
to Q by
impedance
V.
formula. So you know what is R, you know what is Z. So finding out XC. XC is 30. Okay, so this is equivalent to 1 by omega C. C is being asked. So cross multiply and tell me what is C.
– 88.42.
88.42 microfarad, or what is the unit?
Microfarad.
Okay, 88.42. First subdivision is over. Next you need to find out the supply voltage. V is equal to I into Z. The others in class, are you trying to solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Supply voltage is V is equal to IZ. Z you can find, and then I is directly given, I think, in the problem, so you can find out what is V.
V value 150, ma'am.
All got V value 150. Then find out the phase
ma'am.
angle phi.
30 by 40.
Tan inverse of 30 by 40, yeah.
Ma'am, 36 point.
36.87.
Yes, ma'am.
Then potential difference across the resistor and the potential difference across the capacitor. That is VR you need to find by formula IR.
Ma'am, VR 120, ma'am. 120.
VR 120, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check it out.
Yes, ma'am, 120, ma'am.
VR 120. Then V
Yes, ma'am.
C. VC is given by IXC.
Ma'am, 90.
All got 90 volts.
Yes, ma'am.
90
Yes,
volt
ma'am.
is the answer.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
90 volt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then finally you are supposed to draw the phasor diagram. Okay, draw the phasor diagram also. like this.
Current leads by voltage 90 degree.
Okay, here you have taken VR as a reference, I you already know, and here you have to draw VC, and current is leading as you can see. Then phasor sum if you are taking, the total supply voltage is 150. Okay, you people understood the part how you are supposed to draw the phasor diagram for RL and RC?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you solve this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One series RLC problem we'll discuss. Problem number 15. This problem. So what is being asked in the question? R is 5, L is 120 millihenry, and C is 100 microfarad capacitor, V is 300, F is 50. You have to calculate I, then phi, then VL, and VC. Do it and tell me.
And 38.9 ampere.
What is the formula for Z in this case? Formula.
Under root XL minus XC.
This is a series RLC. Okay. So what
Under
is
root
the
R
formula?
square plus XL
This
minus
is
XC
the
whole square.
diagram. Okay. So RLC. R square plus XL minus XC the whole square, like that you have to determine. Okay. So what's the formula for impedance that you got? What is the answer? Have you got 5.87? Sorry, not 5.87, but current is given by V into Z. V is directly given 300 volt. Z you have to find. Z, what is the value of Z? What is the value of Z?
7.71.
7.71, let me check. Seven point seven one is correct. Then current V by Z.
38.9.
Okay. Then phase angle. Remember, this is series RLC. The phase angle formula will differ a little bit because you have to consider two reactances in this case, both the inductive as well as capacitive. So, what is the formula for phase angle here?
XL minus XC by R.
Do remember that, okay, it's not only tan inverse of XL by R or tan inverse of XC by R. Here you have to consider both. Here inductive reactance is predominant, so this will be behaving like a series RL only. So accordingly, you have to draw the phasor. The voltage across the coil, if they ask, means you have to include the resistance also. Okay. Voltage across the inductance, if they ask, means you can use the formula I into XL. But if they are asking you voltage across the inductive coil, then you have to find out the impedance of the coil along with the resistance, and then you have to solve for voltage across the coil. Okay. Refer to the stepwise procedure. Voltage across the coil, if they ask, means they have found out R square plus XL square. Then only they have found out voltage across the coil, not only I into XL. Okay. All of you understood this part? If they ask you voltage across the inductance, means you should use IXL. But here they asked voltage across the coil, means you have to include the resistance and find impedance. Then voltage across the coil they have to find. Okay. Second case, I asked you voltage across the capacitor, that is easy, standard formula I into XC. Then finally the phasor diagram. All understood and proceeded and finished? Have you finished? Do you have any doubts in this problem? Shall we proceed
No,
then?
ma'am. No doubts.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, one more problem section we'll discuss, because today fully we'll discuss problem only. So I will give some exercise problem without solution, but only answers are there. So we'll check out one problem in RC, one problem in RL, and one problem in RLC. So these are all exercise problems. Which problem will solve? Tell me, 11, 12 or 13, which will pick? Only answers are given, so we can cross check with the answers. Which problem will solve, 11, 12 or 13? Which is your wish? Come on, tell me which problem will solve. We'll solve problem number 12. This one. What are the things that are given in the problem?
Current voltage from DC supply.
Yes, current is equal to 5.
The
Then voltage is equal to
50
20 volt
hertz,
DC supply.
25 ampere.
See, this one is having both DC as well as AC, so this sort of problem will not come. This is having a different way of solution, so we'll discuss another problem. Okay. You have to combine DC as well as AC part. That is, those sort of problem will not come. So let's try to solve another problem. We'll solve 11. Okay. Alright. So here Vm is equal to 100. So we need to calculate Vrms is equal to 100 divided by 2. Coil resistance R32 they have given, and L is equal to 100 millihenry they have given. They have asked you to find out Zi and Vr and VL. Find it out and tell me. Both DC and AC will not come. Okay, so we'll not do that. That was the problem. Come on, solve for 11 and check out whether you are having 40 ohm, 1.77 ampere, 56.64 volt as answer. Solve problem number 11. Rajdeep, what is the first step that we will do? We'll first write the given data, then to find you how to write, list it out, then how will you proceed for finding out circuit impedance? What is the formula? Rajdeep. Ritesh. Ritesh. From the initial part of the class, I am calling Ritesh. Is he there in class or not? Gaurav Soni, tell me what is the way to determine circuit impedance?
Ma'am, Ritesh has messaged.
Yeah. So type in the chat box, how will you find out impedance, Ritesh? What is the formula for impedance? Gaurav or Ritesh? Nobody is going to answer.
Ma'am, impedance equal to 40, ma'am.
Here's the formula. It's under root R square plus XL minus XC whole square.
Ma'am,
XL minus XC, yeah.
Z
This is
equal
RL
to R
only, no.
square
No,
plus
ma'am.
XL square, ma'am.
Only XC will come, ma'am.
Only Excel only, no, ma'am.
Yeah, only XL only, actually. It's not RLC, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And what is the formula for current flowing? Z is okay 40 ohm. What about the formula for current?
V equals to IZ.
I equal to V
So I
by
is
Z,
equal to
ma'am.
V by Z.
V by Z.
So what is V?
100 by root 2, ma'am.
Why you are doing 100 by root 2?
Ma'am, to get the RMS value. VRMS value.
VRMS value, ma'am.
Yes. This is VM, so you are finding out VRMS. Okay, then what is
100 by
current?
root 2.
Have you got 1.77 ampere as answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the asked in third subdivision potential difference across resistance? What is the formula?
I into R, ma'am.
I into R. So what is the answer?
1.77 into 32, ma'am.
That's
56.
1.77 into 32. So you are 56.64.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what about final thing, potential difference across resistance that is given by formula? XL.
VL equal to I into XL.
I into Excel.
I omega L. So what is XL?
24, ma'am.
24, ma'am.
94. Huh?
Yes,
Finally, what is VL? 42.48 you got?
Yes, ma'am.
42.48.
0.4.
36.
42.48. All got these answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we will do one RC problem. Okay, 15 you will solve and tell me the answer. Today's class I will finish off problem solution in single phase RC circuit. I will go on to the next topic. So in case if you are having any doubts, you ask now. Try to solve problem number 15. You have been given the problem where R is equal to 50 ohm, It is connected in series with the capacitor 50 microfarad. Voltage is given 200, F is 100, and they asked you to find out is at I 5. Easy problem. Today evening you are having class committee meeting. Who is going to attend from your class M2? 7 o'clock you are
Can you
having
repeat
meeting.
that?
You are having class committee meeting today 7 o'clock, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Who is
ma'am.
who is
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to attend?
Don't know, ma'am.
Should all attend, ma'am?
All of us
I
were.
don't know. They will pick some members from your class. That is the way of conducting class committee meeting. Some 5 or 6 people representing your class. And all the staff members who take class for you, all will be present. That is class committee meeting. Still, sir has not told who will attend.
No, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, on what basis they are selected?
I don't know, it's volunteer only. It's your wish. Or whole class, I am not sure. Sometimes it differs depending upon people who are coordinating.
Ma'am.
Anyways, your cycle test timetable also they will give you today, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Or you already know.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Don't
No,
know.
we don't
No,
know.
ma'am.
Don't know.
Timetable will be same.
November, but then we don't know when it
When
is.
is the starting date? It is 11, huh?
No, ma'am. 5, I
No,
think.
ma'am.
5, huh?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Not at noon.
What,
Don't know,
ma?
ma'am. Today we can know, ma'am.
Don't
No,
know,
I
ma'am.
will
It's
start
5
in
only
4
because
itself.
Diwali is coming immediately. 11 they will not start. 5 only they will start, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Because
Yes,
sir has
ma'am.
given one
They should take the
PDF.
exam after Diwali.
Okay, anyways, have you found out the answer? Back to class.
Circuit impedance
Impedance, you got 93.98.
94.3.
94.3.
Okay, 94 is okay. 94 is okay. Then, current,
2.120.
that is 200 divided by 94, I think. You got what answer?
2.120.
Ma'am, 2 point something.
You got 2.128 means well and good. Then, phase angle, phi. Got the answer? Use the formula tan inverse of xc by r. And what is the answer? xc is equal to 1 by omega c.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Have you got the answer 57.51? Why so delayed?
I'm getting 57.86.
What, ma?
I'm getting 57.86.
Okay, 58 something you are getting. Okay. Okay, this will close class today. Or you want to solve one more problem? Series RLC. Resonance and all will not come.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
this will close class. Okay. So you all understood how to solve problems on single phase AC circuit. When it is purely resistive, when it is purely inductive, when it is purely capacitive, then series RLC,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
series RC.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that the formula you have to remember. Okay? Usually they will ask VR, VL, VC, the phase angle. Okay? Same things plus they will also ask you to draw the phasor diagram. Okay? So you should understand the phasor diagram representation and then it will be easy for you to attend. Okay? Alright? With this topic
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
close off. Okay, next class I will start a fresh topic. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And for you it will be first unit
Unit 2 is
fully.
over.
What, ma?
Unit 2 is over now.
No, unit 2 still so many things are there. I have to teach
Okay.
you, I think, machines all will come in this unit. Okay, DC machine, AC machine, still long way to go. Still it is not yet over. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
alright.
Ma'am, till then, superposition,
And
maximum
for
power
your
transfer theorem,
exam,
it was unit 1.
what, ma? Tell again.
Maximum power transfer theorem was the last topic of
You
unit 1.
want me to show the syllabus again? All are having the syllabus copy or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
That is my
No,
question.
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, will you post it in GC?
No, ma'am.
Then I will show you syllabus one more time.
Share.
Wait. I think in the first
WhatsApp group.
class
Can you share it
itself
in the
I have
WhatsApp group, ma'am?
shown you syllabus and I have shared in WhatsApp also.
No, then
Got it, ma'am.
it could be there in WhatsApp itself.
No, it is there. It is there.
Why to pull out?
It's in GCR, I think.
Yes, it is there in GCR.
This GCR also I think I have put. Anyways, I am showing the syllabus one more time. All the. So what are the things that are in the syllabus? Watch it out. Read it. What are the things that are covered in syllabus?
Unit 1.
Yes, unit 1 up to 12. Okay. Alright, so we are having introduction to AC and DC circuit, active and passive two terminal elements, Ohm's law, voltage, current relation, power, energy, RLC elements, voltage and current sources, KCL, KVL, mesh, nodal, Thevenin, maximum power, Norton, star delta transformation, superposition, transient analysis, three-phase system, star delta connection relation, and problems. Full. Okay?
1 to 12, right, ma'am?
Alright? Now 1 to 12.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? What do you want me to tell,
Ma'am,
Rahul?
Rajarshi is present, ma'am. There's a current cut at his house, so his system can
Oh,
go anytime.
okay. But now you people understood what are the topics that are included in your syllabus on unit 1? Okay. Second unit, it is not yet over. I think I have finished 13, 14. Next comes your magnetic part. Then Faraday's induced EMF, transformer. So many things are there in second unit. Okay. It's a long unit. Okay. Next class we will discuss magnetic circuits. I think you must have studied basics of magnetic circuits in your physics class. What are magnetic materials? All those things. Okay, with this we will wind up the class. Okay, do you have any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we will wind up the class. All can discuss.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what about attendance?
Thank you.